In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name used in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through signing in, opening your account settings, and updating the name that appears on your Yahoo account and in your emails. Keep your login details handy, and let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo homepage. I'm using the Singapore version in this guide, but the steps are similar across regions. Look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. On the next screen, you may see another prompt to continue. Click Sign In again if it appears. Enter your email address and your password, then proceed. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This can include a quick code or confirmation step. Just complete it to finish signing in. Once you're signed in, focus on the upper right corner again and click your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Click your profile option there to open more account choices. From that menu, choose Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings page. On the account page, select Personal Settings. This is where your basic details live. Scroll down until you find the section that displays your name. You'll see an option to update it. Click Update to open the editable fields. You're now on the basic info screen. Click into the name fields and enter the first and last name you want associated with your account. Take a moment to check spelling and capitalization. Think about how you want your name to appear to recipients. Professional and easy to recognize is best. This change affects the name linked to your Yahoo account and may be shown when you send emails, but it doesn't change your actual email address or your username. When everything looks good, click Done to confirm the changes. If you're prompted with another confirmation, click Done again. The update should save immediately. Sometimes it can take a moment for the new name to display everywhere across Yahoo services, so don't worry if you don't see it reflected instantly. That's all there is to it. You went to Yahoo, signed in, opened your profile, managed your account, navigated to personal settings, updated your name, and confirmed the change. Keep your account details up to date for a smoother experience, and remember to use a name you're comfortable sharing with contacts. Thanks for watching, and if this